Shindengen is semiconductor manufacturing company and provides lines of power management products for automotive and industrial application. Today, we would like to take this opportunity to introduce our power module solutions for customers visiting our booth. Shindengen is an expert company and has professional experience about power-related devices and packages. By integrating these knowledges and technologies, we can create power modules to meet customers' requirements. Shindengen has long experience of manufacturing many power semiconductor devices and integrated circuits. Throughout these developments, we have accumulated packaging technology to satisfy customers' requirement for power module products. Shindengen has developed a variety of power management products and well recognized as a reliable supplier of these units. Based on such technology, we can assemble power module products, such as high-efficient, automotive DC-DC converters, and power conditioners for photovoltaic generators. Shindengen is a manufacturer of semiconductor devices. We support wide lineup of diodes, high-efficient MOSFET, and IGBT throughout development of these products. We can understand what is important for customers and how our technology can contribute to realize the customer's goals. Shindengen provides power module as 2 product types and 3 specification standards. Our modules are design and prototype and transfer mold type. A prototype module can be developed with minimum initial investment. We recommend prototype for products with small quantity, and this type has more flexibility on development. 2 structures are available for prototype: screw fastening structure and large size structure. A transfer mold type is proposed for large quantity production. This type does not require package adhesive or resin filling. The structure is simple and easy to manufacture, so the transfer mold type has advantage for productivity and material cost reduction. Shindengen provides power modules in 3 standards of customization. Standard modules are products available for any customers. Please select the appropriate module to your spec and application. Semi-customized modules utilize our standard packages, with customized chips enclosed in it. Semi-customized modules can be designed for other companies' device, passive elements, and next-generation elements like gallium nitride or silicon carbide. When you need a custom chip in the designed package, we can assemble a full customized module. Our technology can help you downsize the required module and provides highly efficient products with added value. We have power module lineup for prototype and transfer mold type. Prototype has a characteristic to use adhesive resin case. It would be effective heat dissipation to outside, and this screw mount is able to tighten to the body. Transfer mold type is that combined MOSFET and diode internally for each chip by wire bonding. This can make it install easily on PCB. Please see right upper photo. We can provide the caseless prototype structure and development stage to shorten your development period. We would be able to support your business with timely manner. Right lower picture mentions the character for type of solution. Prototype is for small quantity, large variety. Transfer mold type is for large quantity and large variety. Next, I will let you know about our technical advantage for power module. First one is downsizing. If you are using many discrete in a circuit, we would be able to give a solution for downsizing. We can combine each chip into one to maximize the space usability. Second one is reducing parallelized mounting. No need to put many discrete on circuit and PCB yet, we can simplify the complicated circuit. Third one is insulated layer advantage. Shindengen can provide this insulation solution. You don't have to care about the distance for each chip for insulation. Some of our lineup have UL 1557 certificated. Fourth one is simplified unit assembly. Your assembly process would be easy because of this power module. PCB pattern is also very simple. Power module would improve a standard time on your process. Our power module was used in DC-DC converter for automotive. Using power module for a main circuit achieved significantly smaller and lighter DC-DC converter than the existing one composed with discrete device. Power module using CU substrate can realize weight save radiation fin. To shorten the element mounting pitch can realize space saving. Using discrete device, two assembly process is necessary and each has to be on insulated sheet. Using power module can reduce assembly process and insulation for each component is not needed. MG005 is used in the three-phase inverter circuit. This module would be less space 75% compared with discrete device. Please see this left lower picture. Discrete device would be needed much space to put one PCB, but power module is not needed. And heat dissipation is also effective, 20% improved by power module. Transient heat resistance is less 48% than discrete in this graph. Shindengen has been continuously developing our technology, and we are realizing advancement of power semiconductor industry. Let us share a roadmap for power module technology. For device level, we are following a vision for higher efficiency from generation to generation. Continuous improvement of MOSFET technology for low voltage application is one movement. An advent of gallium nitride or silicon carbide is on the way as next generation material for high voltage application. Packaging technology is advancing to achieve higher performance of products. Higher capacity and small size, higher current with low cost and higher functionality are the goals we have been following ever. Power module packaging is evolving as advancement of device and technology. To achieve higher functionality, we are going to introduce newer packages year over year. High current, high power module will be provided in newly developed packages, like MG003 and 038.